SWIFT ISOMT is a messaging standard used for financial transactions between banks and other financial institutions. It stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication International Organization for Standardization Message Type. This messaging standard is used to transmit financial messages securely and efficiently across different financial institutions and countries. It is widely used in the global financial industry for a variety of transactions, such as wire transfers, securities trading, foreign exchange trading, and more. The SWIFT ISOMT messages are standardized messages that follow a specific format and rules, which ensure the accuracy and integrity of the transmitted data. Each SWIFT ISOMT message consists of a header, body, and trailer, and contains information such as the sender and receiver's details, transaction amount, currency code, and other relevant details. SWIFT ISOMT messages are categorized into different message types, such as MT103, MT202, MT300, etc. Each message type is designed for a specific type of transaction and contains different fields and information. Here are some additional details about SWIFT ISOMT. Security: SWIFT ISOMT messages are transmitted through a secure network, which ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of the transmitted data. This is achieved through various security measures, such as message encryption, digital signatures, and secure authentication mechanisms. Standardization: SWIFT ISOMT messages are standardized, which means that they follow a specific format and rules. This helps to ensure that the messages are interpreted correctly by all the parties involved in the transaction, regardless of their location or language. Message types: SWIFT ISOMT messages are categorized into different message types, each designed for a specific type of transaction. For example, the MT103 message type is used for single customer credit transfers, while the MT202 message type is used for general financial institution transfers. Global reach: SWIFT ISOMT messages are used by financial institutions in more than 200 countries worldwide. This means that they are an essential part of the global financial infrastructure and are used for a wide range of transactions, including cross-border payments and securities trading. Integration: SWIFT ISOMT messages can be integrated with other financial systems, such as accounting and treasury management systems. This allows financial institutions to automate their financial processes and reduce the risk of errors and fraud. Overall, SWIFT ISOMT is a messaging standard that provides a secure and efficient way for financial institutions to communicate and conduct transactions with each other. Its standardization and global reach make it an essential part of the global financial infrastructure.